Ancient armor, the Sumatran rhino's unique skin, the Sumatran Rhinoceros faces a dire situation. Their population has plummeted to fewer than 80 individuals in the wild. Beyond the alarming statistics, though, lies a fascinating narrative etched into their very skin. Their thick hide isn't just protection, it's a living record of their evolutionary journey and adaptations. Notice the prominent folds and wrinkles. These aren't random, they are crucial for thermoregulation in the dense rainforest environment where they live. The folds increase surface area, helping them dissipate heat effectively. Furthermore, the skin contains specialized sensory hairs that allow them to detect subtle changes in their surroundings, a vital tool for survival amidst predators and human encroachment. Examining this unique skin provides insights into how these incredible animals have adapted over millennia to thrive in challenging conditions. Take a closer look at the Sumatran rhino's appearance. It's truly unlike anything you've likely seen from other rhinoceros species. They possess a rather unusual texture to their skin, often giving the impression they're coated in mud or dirt. This isn't actually grime, though it's a fascinating combination of incredibly thick, bristly hairs and large areas of bare, wrinkled skin. The hair is sparse and coarse, providing only patchy coverage across their body, while the exposed skin folds give them a uniquely textured look. It's this contrasting pattern that makes each Sumatran rhino so distinctive and sets them apart from their Javan or white rhinoceros cousins. Take a closer look at this rhino's skin. It's quite unlike anything you might expect. It appears almost wrinkled and folded, giving the Sumatran rhino a unique textured appearance. But this isn't just for show, it's a remarkable evolutionary adaptation perfectly suited to its environment. The dense, tangled bushland of Sumatra provides both food and shelter, but also presents challenges. This unusual skin offers excellent camouflage, breaking up their outline against the dappled light and shadows of the forest floor, making them far less visible to potential predators like tigers. It's also incredibly effective protection. Imagine pushing through thick vegetation. This tough, layered skin acts as a shield, guarding them from sharp thorns and abrasive plants they encounter daily. Notice how the Sumatran rhino's skin isn't uniformly dark like some of its cousins. These distinctive patches of hair are a fascinating adaptation. They aren't just random, they actually grow longer than those seen on other rhino species, extending outwards to create a uniquely textured appearance. Scientists believe this serves as a form of disruptive coloration. Imagine dappled sunlight filtering through the dense rainforest. These irregular patterns help break up the rhino's outline, making it harder for predators or even potential threats to easily spot them in their shadowy environment. It's a remarkably clever example of how evolution shapes camouflage. It's fascinating to consider how Sumatran rhinos have adapted to their tropical environment. Scientists are increasingly realizing that their coat isn't just about protection, it's a sophisticated system for temperature regulation. The thick, dense fur acts as an insulator, shielding them from both the humidity and intense heat of the rainforest. But notice the patches of bare skin. These aren't accidental, they allow for efficient cooling through radiation and evaporation. It's a clever balance, insulation when needed, exposure to release excess heat. This combination helps these animals maintain a stable body temperature, even in challenging conditions. You've probably noticed the Sumatran rhino's skin is remarkably wrinkled. It's quite unlike anything you see on most animals. While those wrinkles do become more pronounced with age, they serve a much larger purpose than just reflecting the passing years. These folds are actually a brilliant evolutionary adaptation, dramatically increasing the rhino's surface area. This expanded surface allows for efficient insulation when temperatures drop and, crucially, maximizes heat dissipation in their hot, humid rainforest home. Think of it like having tiny radiators all over its body, helping to regulate its internal temperature, an absolutely essential feature for survival in this challenging environment. Take a closer look at their skin, and you'll notice something quite remarkable. The distribution of hair on a Sumatran rhino isn't uniform. It varies considerably from one individual to another. You'll see patches of thick hair interspersed with areas of bare skin, creating distinctive patterns. These unique markings are so specific that scientists believe they could effectively act like fingerprints, allowing them to identify and track individuals even within these incredibly small populations. It's a fascinating example of natural variation, providing an unexpected benefit for conservation efforts, helping researchers keep tabs on these critically endangered animals. The Sumatran rhino's skin is truly remarkable when you consider what it has to endure. Unlike many animals, their skin isn't just a protective layer. It's built with a significantly higher concentration of collagen than most other mammals. This unique composition gives the rhino's hide an incredible elasticity and resilience. Think of it like a really tough, springy rubber, allowing them to move through dense jungle undergrowth without constant scrapes and tears. It also helps protect against injuries from branches, rocks, and even occasional disagreements with fellow rhinos. That collagen network absorbs impacts, minimizing damage and promoting faster healing. Living a life largely apart from others is key to survival for Sumatran rhinos. Their thick skin isn't just armor, it's expertly patterned with mud and vegetation, providing incredible camouflage. This natural disguise serves two vital purposes. It allows them to avoid unwanted encounters with other rhinos, minimizing potential conflict over territory or mates, and crucially, it helps protect them from predators like tigers. Imagine the advantage of being able to melt into the undergrowth. They move slowly and deliberately through their forest habitat, often covered in a layer of mud and leaves, making them remarkably difficult to spot even for experienced trackers. The Sumatran rhino's skin presents a fascinating puzzle to researchers and conservationists alike. It's incredibly thick, up to 3 inches in some areas, and deeply folded, giving it a rather prehistoric appearance. This isn't just for protection against thorny vegetation or the occasional tiger swipe. It's also a crucial tool for identifying individual animals. Each rhino develops unique patterns of scars, wrinkles, and even skin discoloration over its lifetime, much like human fingerprints. These markings allow scientists to track their movements, monitor their health, and understand their social interactions more effectively. By recognizing individuals, we can better assess population sizes and the impact of conservation interventions. Ultimately, protecting these rhinos means safeguarding not only their physical well-being but also preserving this intricate system of individual recognition that's vital for their survival.